Today we'll go through how to manage your open positions and orders in MT5. Let's start with where you can see your open trades. We went through the MT5 interface in our first episodes of this series, so you already know that you can find them in the toolbox above your balance. Each position is showing you all important information like symbol, order type, lot size, entry price, and current profit or loss. If you want to add some more columns, you can do that simply by right-clicking on any open position and then head over to the column section where you can choose what you want to be displayed. For example, if you are more a swing trader and you hold your positions for several days, it's good to display swaps, so you know what's the amount of swaps in each open position. Now let's move to how to modify stop loss and take profit. There are two ways to do it. Let's start with the simple one. In the chart you can see 3 lines if you've set your stop loss and take profit. To change them, simply drag the lines up or down on the chart to a new position. The second way is more complex but still easy. Right-click the trade where you want to change your stop loss or take profit and choose Modify or Delete. Then the Modify window will open and you can change the price level where you want to move your stop loss or take profit. When you change the price level, simply click on Modify and your stop loss or take profit will be moved to a new position. When you want to partially close your position, you need to right-click on the trade, choose Modify or Delete, and instead of Modify Position, you choose Market Execution and fill the volume you want to close. And then you click on Close, and that's how you can partially close a position. Now let's take a look at Trailing Stop. Trailing Stop works like this. It automatically moves your stop loss in the direction of your trade as the price goes in your favor. To set it up, right-click on the trade, choose Trailing Stop and choose a number of points. 1 point is always the last number in the symbol. So for example, EUR/USD is quoted like this. The number 1 at the end is 1 point. So if I set the trailing stop 100 points, it means my stop loss will be trailing 100 points below the current highest price. So in this example, the stop loss will be at this price. You will always have some presets from MetaTrader of how many points you want to set your trailing stop. But you can choose custom and set how many points under the current price you want to set your trailing stop. And that's how you manage your open positions in MT5.